Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Answer the Public to find long-tail SEO questions. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To connect Answer the Public and find long-tail SEO questions, start by visiting the Answer the Public website. Once the home page loads, take a moment to understand the interface. Locate the search input bar, which is prominently displayed in the center of the page. Enter a seed keyword related to your niche or topic. After inputting your keyword, click on the search button. Wait for a few moments as Answer the Public generates data based on your query. You will see a visual representation of questions, prepositions, and comparisons related to your keyword. This visualization can be overwhelming, so focus on the questions section to find long-tail queries. To refine your search, you can toggle between different types of questions like what, why, and how. Next, review the suggested questions carefully, as they provide insight into user intent. Identify any questions that resonate with your content strategy or target audience. As you find relevant questions, consider making a list or taking notes. You can also download the data for further analysis by clicking the download button. Remember to take note of popular queries that may enhance your SEO strategy. Once you have gathered your questions, brainstorm content ideas or articles based on those queries. Make sure to incorporate these long-tail questions into your content for better optimization. Now, you are ready to create valuable, targeted content that is more likely to rank in search engines. Incorporate these insights and monitor the performance of your content over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.